Going down TAPIA Canyon. My burn victim. Yes. I've only tried Top Dog and G-Tag, the other two trails that are there, but I've never tried on this side, so let's see how it is. Seems a bit level here. Honestly, I think Top Dog and G-Tag are the best trails around here, but I may be wrong, so let's check this one out. Oh, hell yeah. Let's go down. Yeah! Potholes. A bunch of bushes. Not bad. Yes. Love the amount of flow here at TAPIA Canyon. Crazy how many homes are being built out here in Santa Clarita and Simi Valley. Guys gotta get bamboozled right here. Whatever that means. Yes. Love it. Flow, good flow. Really good flow at TAPIA. Amazing. Definitely not technical. So if you're a beginner, this is the place for you. Sandy part is always here. Yeah, nice. Over here you have 3 features. There's like 3 bridges there.
What are they, drops?
Small little drops, yeah. Oh yeah. Nice, Aries. Perfect. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, it felt good.
Right?
This one looks flimsy as heck.
Oh, that one, yeah. I think it is. Looks very broken.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's like nails sticking out too.
Yeah.
Maybe not that one.
Yeah, forget that one. I don't want to get a puncture. Yeah. Nice, Aries. Perfect. I'm just gonna try the other one. If you want, yeah. TAPIA Canyon's the best.
That was a nice feature over there. It's like a tiny little gap jump.
Yeah, that ramp right there.
Oh, the big one?
People keep changing the position of that ramp. Yeah, the great infamous ramp of death here. Yeah, nice. I love it. Good flow. This is a great trail to bring beginners on, or even intermediate, because they can learn how to pump the rollers, generate speed, everything. Yes, amazing. Yeah. I gotta come up with better adjectives. And here comes this one. A fun trail as always. There's a drop here if you want to try it.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's a little bit bigger, but the one to the left you can roll through it.
I'll try this one.
Okay. Yes. Oh, nice. Wow.
That was not good.
Amazing.
That did not feel good.
It felt good?
No, it did not feel good.
It looked good to me.
I feel like I just rolled off instead of lifting my front.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Man, I thought you were going for this one and not the bigger one.
No.
But props to you. Nice.
Thanks, man.